Linux Mint offers three desktop environments: Cinnamon, Mate, and Xfce, each tailored to different performance and user experience needs. Cinnamon is the default and most modern looking. It features smooth animations, easy to navigate menus, and strong customization. It's great for users who want a polished Windows-like experience. Mate is lighter and more traditional, derived from the old GNOME 2. It uses fewer system resources, making it ideal for mid-range hardware while retaining usability. Xfce is the most lightweight of the three. It's extremely efficient, minimalistic, and perfect for older or low-end machines, but it looks more basic out of the box. All three offer the same Mint features under the hood, only the desktop experience differs. Use Cinnamon for looks and features, Mate for balance, and Xfce for maximum speed and simplicity.